Hi, you're through to Everyday Superpower, a place where we can learn about body language and nonverbal communication. We keep it nice and simple, get to the point. You're able to observe and read the minds of others around you purely by looking at them. Okay, so click like, click subscribe. If anything comes to mind, feel free to leave a comment below. Today, we're talking about the face wash, okay? Now, we're not literally washing the face with anything, but what we're doing is we're rubbing the face, okay? Rubbing the face, washing the face with the hands rub the face, okay? So, as you can see before you with the woman, what she's doing is she's cupping her hands and rubbing the face as if washing it, okay? And what this signals is the desire for a fresh start, okay? So, it's symbolic of refreshment, yeah? So, the face wash is used when an individual may be tired and needs to self-soothe or refresh the perspective and get moving and get going, okay? It's a ritualistic gesture, all right, in order to purify ourselves and start again. Cleanse ourselves of wherever we was and get up and break that pattern and move forwards. Washing the face with the bare hands can be rooted as a way to refresh the body and mind, all right? Also, what you need to consider is that when the face is massaged, it releases positive hormones, okay? Reducing stress and discomfort. Because when we touch ourselves, what we call them are pacifying gestures, okay? When we touch ourselves, we call them self-soothing gestures purely as the touch of the nerve ending creates this burst of hormones straight to the brain, which makes us feel good. We see these behaviours in response to stressful stimuli all the time, okay? It's the majority of nonverbal body language, to be honest with you. You see it very regular in all sorts of different funny gestures and variations, all right? So the face wash re-energizes the body through that subtle burst and symbolic, symbol. It re-energizes the body and it prepares the body for action, or at least psychologically prepares the body for action, okay? It's pacifying, self-touching gesture, potentially self-grooming if the individual maybe has a beard or is, cleaning sleep from the eye in the process and so forth. A sort of self-massage, all right? It's a throwback to washing the face in the morning or potentially at night and just reinvigorating it with cold water. Okay, potentially biologically rooted in our evolutionary ancestors, reinvigorating the face with cold water from a flowing stream to wake us up. All right, we can accompany this with a vocalization of sorts. Right, it's time to get going. Oh, and so on and so forth, which is also potentially linked to primitive roots. Okay, so hopefully this is understandable, as maybe you have done this yourself, maybe you have seen this from people. That was a little overview of the face wash. And without further ado, I'm going to get off. So click like, click subscribe, feel free to leave a comment below. One love, people. Bye-bye.